On this site, we have been talking about iRubric and creating rubrics for your classroom through it. What I want to do right now is take you to a few other sites that you would be able to look at to create rubrics. And by all means, these are not an exhaustive collection of rubric sites. There are many of them out there for you to use. These are just three that I chose. Two of them will be sites that you can go to and download pre-made rubrics based upon what you're wanting. The third site is a site very much like iRubric, where you can go in and create your own as well as pulling from a collection that they already have. So first of all, today we're going to go to Teacher Planet. Teacher Planet is a website that has much more than just rubrics on it for teachers, but we want to concentrate today mainly on the rubrics. If you tramp down to the middle of the page, you will see that there are many different types of rubrics to choose from. I'm going to choose a science rubric. I'm a science teacher, so I usually gravitate towards science. When it pulls it up, it will pull up a list of all the different ones that they have. Well, we're getting ready to do some labs, so we're going to first look at the generic or general science lab rubric. Now, if you notice, it pulls up a rubric that gives you over here on this side the different subjects that you will be grading, and then across the top it gives you your criteria grading, distinguished a 3, a satisfactory a 2, borderline 1, and unsatisfactory 0. And then each of the boxes listed across also gives you the criteria that needs to be met for your grade. This just gives you a very simple way to put things down in grade. The only drawback to this website is that it is not, you are not able to type in or change. You have to use what they have for you. But if you need a quick rubric, it's a very good one to go to. The next site that we're going to go to is Teachnology. Teachnology is another one that you can sign up for a membership, but you do not have to have one. What you can do is you can go over and again choose what topic you want to look at. And I'll change from science this time and I'll go to social studies. And what it allows you to do is you can pull up, let's say, class participation. Now what this will let you do that rubrics for teachers would not is that it will let you put in your school name. It will allow you to put in the title of your rubric and then your name. It will allow you to choose a picture that will go with your rubric and then click on Generate Rubric. If you notice at the top there's a spot where your name would be typed in, and then the name of the rubric, and then the picture that goes with it. As you go down through, you will see that attendance and promptness level, these are all the different categories that you would be grading on, and then the criteria in which you're going to be grading. Again, this is a site that you cannot actually manipulate the criteria. You have to use what they have set for you. The next one that we're going to go to is Rubistar. Rubistar is also a free website that allows you to create your own rubrics, It also allows you to pull from templates that are pre-created by other teachers if you find one. Now, the one nice thing about it is if you find a template that you are wanting to use, it does allow you to go in and change some of the wording of one that has been created by someone else. So let's go to math this time. And if you'll look over here, they have a couple for math. You have math problem solving and graphing. If we choose the problem solving, we'll go down through and you can start putting in your name, the project name. It asks you for your zip code, and what that does, it helps Rubistar be able to track their visitors, and it's something that they report to the Department of Education because of a grant that they got for Rubistar. This is a demonstration rubric, and then if you look down here, you may click on the categories, and it allows you to choose which categories you want to use and the order that you want to use them in. Let's go mathematical concepts. If you notice over here to the right, as soon as I hit mathematical concepts, it gave me the criteria. Now, if you look at this criteria and you decide that that's not the exact criteria you want to grade on, it allows you to reset the box, and then it allows you to type in your own information, which makes it real nice when you're trying to customize a rubric for your needs. Again, Rubistar is very much like iRubric in the fact that it allows you to create your own rubric. Thank you for joining me on this part of the tour. Have a great day.